You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Glacial.
Oh, there you are. We need to go over the seating chart for the luncheon.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I have it right here.
By all means, move at a glacial pace. You know how that thrills me.
Well, tonight's my date with Penny, and since we haven't been able to connect by phone...
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's been broken.
Or email.
Yeah, no, it's broken too. Everything's broken.
Anyway, I was just wondering if you had any last-minute advice.
All right, well, off the top of my head, I think the most important thing with Penny is to go really slow. I mean, glacial.
Okay.
Guys come on to her all the time, so you need to, set yourself apart.
Vast plains to the west.
West. Something you learned in school.
Towards the setting sun. I suspect I saw the British Isles from what is now the French coast. Huge mountains on the other side of an enormous deep valley that was shadowed by the setting sun. This is before they were separated from the continent by rising seas as glaciers melted. That happened?
Yeah, it's the end of the Pleistocene. So far, what he says fits.
Third class M planet, Mr. Chekhov. Number 6.
No sign of industrial development. At last report in a glacial age. Sapient life plentiful, but on a most primitive level.
Now, as I understand you, Mr. Chekhov, there are 3 Class M planets.
Yes, sir.
Not one of which is capable of launching an interstellar flight.
No, sir.
Yet one of them accomplished it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chekhov.
Captain, I'm picking up high energy generation on planet 6.
It's the primitive glaciated planet.
Yes, sir.
I'm not ready to deal with that right now.
I come bearing burritos and babies.
Ooh, I don't know which I'm happier to see.
Well,
Don't judge me.
I would never. I heard what happened. Sounds like a clean shoot.
Thank you. Oh, sweet baby. First station visit. That is exciting.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, that is so cute. Thank you. Slow day at the front desk.
Glacial.
Glacial. Extremely cold, slow, or related to glaciers. It can describe weather, movement, or even a person's reaction or progress. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Wintry.
Hello?
Hey, have you left yet?
Leaving now. Just had to make a quick stop.
Haven't you seen the news? There's a huge snowstorm coming.
Yeah, it's already started. I'm all dressed up, ready to meet your parents. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay, bye.
4 inches of snow has already dropped up north, so if you're driving in this, you better watch out for wintry conditions.
Stop all that racket. Some of us are in the midst of our own private euphorias, and you're ruining it with the sound of all this manual labor.
Well, if it isn't Clarence Darrow. Hey, congratulations again. You killed it today.
I did.
Yeah. What brings you out on this cold and wintry night?
Couldn't sleep.
Hey, man, how's your mouth feel? What? Is it wintry fresh? What do you mean? You know, like your new powers. Like when your cold breath comes in? I don't have cold breath yet. Well, look, if you start hearing like high-pitched sounds and noises, let me know, because when your super hearing comes in, it's no joke. For sure.
Oh man, the best place is this lake that I literally stumbled upon. It's 5,000 feet up in the Canadian Rockies. It's only accessible via helicopter. And the views are breathtaking.
Sounds amazing.
So maybe I'll take you sometime.
That'd be fun.
You ready?
Yeah.
You guys coming?
No, I'm gonna get a jump start on all this wintry splendor in a bit.
It's no mercy letting a child linger in such pain.
Only the gods know for certain. All the rest of us can do is pray. The charms of the North seem entirely lost on you.
Still can't believe you're going. It's ridiculous even for you.
Where's your sense of wonder? The greatest structure ever built, the intrepid men of the Night's Watch, the wintry abode of the White Walkers.
Tell me you're not thinking of taking the black.
Wintry. Cold, bleak, or characteristic of winter. Often used to describe weather, landscapes, or even a person's tone or mood. Rekindle.
So, who was he with?
Mrs. Fairmont.
What? Player was in the hotel cheating with his own wife?
I was trying to rekindle our marriage. I got the room, brought the champagne.
I better get going, though. Don't want to be late.
Thanks. Bye, honey.
Bye. Lois, I'm aware this isn't the most comfortable situation here, having me around all the time, the forbidden fruit, as it were, especially now with Hal gone.
Yeah, Craig, it's not...
Whatever feelings we shared, that's in the past. That part of us is dead now.
Craig,
Shh. Let's not rekindle that.
I saw you two earlier.
Whatever you think you saw, there is nothing between Sophia and me.
Didn't look that way to me.
She was just trying to rekindle something that isn't there anymore.
Must happen to you a lot. Women throwing themselves at your feet.
Men too, sometimes. Well, what about you? A woman of your intelligence and beauty must have men throwing themselves at you.
Not so much.
I know I may be making the biggest mistake of my life. I'm seeing an eminent psychiatrist now.
Well, so am I. Is it helping you?
No, no, I mean romantically.
Oh.
And I may be giving all of that up just to rekindle a mostly physical relationship whose only appeal maybe it's danger.
Rekindle. To cause something to start again or grow stronger after fading. Often used for feelings, relationships, interest, or inspiration. Cozy.
How much? Well, it isn't really all that simple.
Your Honor, Seth begged me to quit my job and move in with him. I turned his empty, cold house into a warm, cozy love nest. And I took care of his every need and desire. Because he promised to marry me.
Bullshit! Perhaps Mr. Winnick would care to suck on a cough drop.
Let me take your jacket for you. You're so wet.
You say it never rains in Southern California, huh?
I love the rain, especially when it's warm and cozy inside.
Oh.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Gwen couldn't make it tonight.
Oh. Well, Gwen told me that you couldn't make it.
When it comes to entertaining men, Gwen is a basket case.
Outside, turn on all the lights for you, and then I'm gonna come back and help you with your bags.
No, don't worry so much about me, Brenda Lee. I can carry a bag. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, this is so cozy. Is that art?
Cozy. Warm, comfortable, and pleasantly snug. Often used to describe places, clothing, or feelings that make you feel relaxed and safe. Wintry conditions can be quite cold. And glacial can mean even colder except when it means slow. When you have cold weather, it is good to find a cozy place to spend time with someone. You might even be able to rekindle an old relationship. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is your favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Aristotle. To appreciate the beauty of a snowflake, it is necessary to stand out in the cold.